guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So we've got a strap for you guys going to check out. This one is really cool. Check my last video. Got a strap of skull with skull and crossbones. This is another rose and skull heads from the looks of things. And I'm going to just take this off because, like I said, I do not use strings on my headstocks. But these have nice thick leather on these things for the ends. Now this one here, oh, I think this just became my new favorite. Look at the skulls and roses on this. That is really super nice. You gotta get a close-up of this sucker. This is really good. Check that out. That is nice. It won't be going on the acoustic, but it's going to go on one of my electrics. So, yeah, I like that. That's cool. And anyway, so like the other strap I checked out, this got the skulls in that. It is, the stitch work on this is also equally as good. And this is like a jean material on both sides. You know, so that's going to be really super strong and durable over the long haul. And looks like they did a great job on the stitching on this one as well. And of course the metal belt buckle too. So let's pop this one onto the Takamine. There's a bit of force for you, but she goes on. There, nice and secure. Oh, that adjusts really nice. I like that. Pretty nice, guys. Pretty nice. You know, I gave the last one a 4.5 out of 5. I think I'm going to have to go 4 3/4 on this one. This is some super nice material. Like that. Love the design too. I like the other one too. It's great. This is really, really nice. I love it. That's cool. So check the link in the description below to buy these things. And feel free to check out the rest of their stuff. They've got capos, tuners, all kinds of jazz. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.